morning, students. Yesterday we have already discussed about the human brain. Now you know that the most important other organ, that is spinal cord of central nervous system. Now actually what is spinal cord? Now spinal cord in Gujarati it is called Karodraju. It is the one of the cylindrical structure which is the posterior extension of medulla oblongata. Now you see the medulla oblongata, that is the posterior part of the brain, and that is connected to here with the spinal cord. આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં એમને કહીએ મણકો. Okay, here it is enclosed within the vertebral column, and spinal cord is supported by three membranes. They are called meninges to protect it, and it is central part is consists of grey matter, whereas the white matter is present outside, means periphery, and grey matter is arranged in H shape. That is the grey matter, grey color, and it contains non-medullated nerves, fibers and nerves with short processes. White matter contains medullated nerves, fibers and neurons with long processes. Now between these meninges, means layers, membranes, the cerebrospinal fluid is present, right, in the central part of this canal, and total there are 31 pairs of nerves. They are arising from spinal cord, and the bundle of these nerve fibers run either in ascending or descending, means नीचे की तरफ मुड़ी हुई, that is descending, and ऊपर की तरफ हो, that is ascending. So these type of ascending and descending in the form of tracts, they link the spinal cord with brain. Each and every nerve that is connected to brain, right? So this is about the spinal cord. This may be asked for 2 marks. Write a short note on spinal cord. Total you have to write on any 4 points. Now next topic, that function. The function of this spinal cord to conduct the sensory information, the ascending tract that conduct the sensory information from the nervous system to the brain, while the descending tracts conduct the motor information from brain to the spinal cord, and it is also protected in the bony structure called vertebral column or backbone. Here the cerebrospinal fluid act as a shock absorber. Sometimes we heard that this protect us from mechanical shocks. Okay, now how these nervous system or nervous tissue causes an action, means how they work, right? So the neurons receive the stimuli from the surrounding with the help of sensory organs, namely eyes, ears, nose, skin. All these are our sense organs, right? And this information is sent to the central nervous system, mostly to the brain. The brain analyzes the stimulus and makes the decision about what has to be done. According to this, the order is sent. Now this decision or order is sent to the related muscles through the neurons. Now last time we discussed about these neurons. The muscles act accordingly, and thus the whole action response takes place. So the action of nervous system that takes place in this way. Okay, so today you have to prepare this spinal cord and the protection of nervous system. These 2 short notes you have to prepare. Okay.